everyone, it's Carrie over at DoubleClick. Today I am sharing a PaperCrafting GoodWill haul. I was so excited. I found some really good paper crafting items and I thought I would share. So I did get 25% off my entire order. So all the prices that you see was just an extra 25% off. So in this first bag that was $4.49, I think came out to like $3 and change with the discount. I picked these up. I try not to buy stamps. However, these were all Christmas stamps. So we have the Let It Snow, Have a Holly Jolly Christmas, May Your Christmas Glow with Love, Have Yourself a Merry Little Christmas, Family and Friends are the True Gifts of Christmas, and Season Greetings. And these are the old dots. I tried to find out what year they are, but I couldn't find the year. These have never been used. So these are the old style foam mounted ones. And in there as well, one that says Merry Merry and these little lights. Super excited to find those. I was so excited to find this. So this is a personal library kit and it comes with the library pockets, the little slips that go on the inside, a date stamp, ink, and a pencil. And this was dated 2009. I love this. This is going to be so much fun to use in my journals, like right in the front as soon as you open the book. When I was little, I used to make these and put all my information so people wouldn't steal my books. And this makes me laugh and it really brings me back to those fun days. Then these were $1.49 and I just thought that these would be so much fun to add into a junk journal. They have these really cool tabs like the table of contents and then like exhibit letters. And I don't know, I just thought the size of this and how nicely it would fold and then that be the tab, that this would be a really fun journal entry page. So I scored those. This huge package of white labels and they're the mailing size, the 4x3.5 size. I did rip it open to make sure the labels were still super sticky and they were. So these I'm just going to put in like my package and my mailing supplies so that I can put these right on my packages when I go to mail out my Happy Mail. Found this Project Life kit. It is opened. I flipped through the cards and it didn't really look like any were actually missing. So it was $6.49 less the 25%. But this is the baby boy edition. And they have so many cute ones that don't have to be used for baby boy. They have like the clouds and just a lot of plain muted tones. So I really like this one. I'm definitely going to break this kit all apart and put some of these cards into other areas of my craft room, not just in my baby. Plus this kit is ginormous, so that wouldn't actually fit only in my baby. Great score on that. This 12x12, it was $5.49 less the 25% off. This is so exciting. Usually that price is for one, but this one was wrapped in two. So the first one that we have is a Hello Kitty. How cute is that? I think I have a Hello Kitty pad. I think it's the same. It looks the same, but the cover is different. But I think in general, the papers on the inside are the same. So these are super cute. I do have a Hello Kitty big Ziploc bag that this is going to go into. But yeah, I mean, the paper's not super thick, but you know, it's designer paper because of the Hello Kitty. So that's super cute. I love those clouds. They're so fun. So yeah, so that was a great deal. Hello Kitty. So if you take like the $5, and there was two books in here. So this is a Disney one. The cover did come off, but I do not have this one. So this is great. And we have the princesses. Yeah, these are so cute. This is going to be great for my pen pals. And also I probably will go ahead and make some little birthday cards with these. We have some Mickey, Minnie Mouse, oh, Winnie the Pooh. That's so cute. Look at that big Pooh. That's so fun. Oh, the little bows. That's cute paper. These ended up to be super cheap, what, like $2 each. So I'm very fortunate that I was able to find these and together for such a great price. I think I'll probably attach this just so that I have the cover on there to protect those papers. So that's my crafty haul from Goodwill. Hope you guys have some good luck shopping at Goodwill for some paper crafting supplies. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. Have a great day.